Okay, 24 hours later, I'm back. Actually, it's been 2 days because life. But here I am back in my office, ready to make my first set of ice cubes with the Dumos Countertop Ice Maker. And I'm so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it to the fill line. One pitcher about this size brings it just below the max line. So good to know, and also perfect. Now let's pop in the basket. Got my little scoop for later. And I'll press power. And I'm going to select small ice this time. There are 2 buttons on this entire unit. There's the on/off / self-clean button. To self-clean, you press and hold for 5 seconds. And then there's the select button, which lets you select between small, large. That's it, really. There are also indicator lights for when you need to add water, or for when the ice is full, or for when it's in a cleaning mode. We're going to come back in supposedly 6 minutes. Okay, while this is running, I want you to hear how nice and quiet this is. There's like a gentle whir. Listen for it. Not bad. Can't really see anything going on in there, but you can see that the indicator light for the small ice cube is on and that the power is on. Something's happening. Okay, so it stopped making them and I can see them in there now. Oh, look. Oh, that's fun. That's so fun. Okay, our first ice is ready. Now the Dumos is still going to keep making ice until there's no water left or until its capacity is full, but I'm still going to open this up and we're going to get a close look. This is the small size of the ice. And that really did finish that in like under 6 minutes. I am impressed. Take a look. Look at that. I'll look at it up close. Good crunch. This is cute. Well, that's fun. I'd say it works. I'm thrilled to have this. This is going to be perfect in our RV or just to have extra ice on hand at parties. Also, just because I love fresh ice, and sometimes the ice that's been sitting in the ice maker in our freezer just isn't quite as exciting. Highly recommend this. This is awesome. I love it.